Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to use Amazon FBA to fulfill TikTok shop orders. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all I'm just gonna go to this reputable website known as forseller.com. So first of all, you just have to create a ForSeller account to integrate TikTok Shop with Amazon Multi-Channel Fulfillment or FBA. You need to use a third-party app called ForSeller, which is free and trusted by many TikTok Shop and Amazon sellers. So just create an account on there like this. Just go to the App Store on TikTok Shop and download this app and create an account. And then just open ForSeller website. Actually, you have to sign up for an account on their website first. And then just connect TikTok Shop to ForSeller and then link Amazon seller account to ForSeller. Then authorize Amazon FBA warehouse like this, exactly like this. You have to select Amazon FBA, fulfillment by Amazon, and then just sync FBA inventory and configure SKUs. And now you can start fulfilling TikTok shop orders using Amazon. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.